Ever have a website in Google Chrome and you want to put that website on your taskbar in Windows? You can. I am Chris Menard. Let's dive into this right now. Step one is to open up whatever website you want to add to your taskbar. I have my personal website listed here, chrismenardtraining.com. Step two is up in the top right in Chrome. You want to come up here to Customize and Control Chrome, better known as the three dots. Click the three dots. You want to move down to Cast, Save, and Share. And then from there, you're going to move over and select Create Shortcut and click. When you click on Create Shortcut, you can change the name in the box that appears. But if you like the name, just click on Create. If you don't like it, change it and hit Create. I did not do this. File Explorer launched automatically for me. I do have a lot of stuff blurred out. I just don't want you to see it. But already selected is the shortcut that I just created. All you're going to do is drag and drop it to your taskbar. Close out of File Explorer. Always go and test it. It's sitting on my taskbar in between Microsoft Teams and my M365 Copilot. I closed the website that was running. I'm going to click, and my website opened. Those are the steps. Hope you enjoyed this video. My online training is available. Have a wonderful day.